Hey guys, imagine building a web scraper without writing most of the code yourself. So, what if AI could generate the entire script for us to scrap the website? So, in this video, I'm going to show you how to utilize AI tools, specifically ChatGPT, to come up with the script for scrapping web pages. The best part, the most of the code will be written by AI. Okay. Welcome to Processing the YouTube channel, guys. In this channel, we explore data, AI automation, and real-world tech tools. Without further ado, let's get started. Alright, guys. The website that I am interested about in web scraping is this skillsuper.com website, which is a renowned supermarket chain in Sri Lanka. But I'm going to show you this for the educational purposes, like so you can do it for the any other website. So if you come across any issues, just reach out to me, where I can maybe I can help you with that. So on the Keels Super website, I'm interested about only on these Keels products. Guys, this is only for the educational purposes. Just make sure that you use it fairly. So what I am interested about is, so if you go to these skills products, so there are a bunch of categories available on this website. So what I am interested about is iteratively go through each and every categories automatically. I just need the product associated with this each categories. So say for example, on the app Prashna, there are 3 products. So what I'm interested is I just need to get the price of this product and the item description of this product and the link for this particular image in my use case. So what I'm going to do is, by the help of ChatGPT, I'm going to show you how to do it efficiently. And first of all, before going to that, I'm going to record some data. So first of all, I'm going to copy this link to this ChatGPT window. So I got the link. So I just rename it as link. Okay. Okay, I just put inverted commas in order to make sure that ChatGPT identify it separately. So in order to get the iterate through each and every categories on this particular scenario, so I need to get some insight from this website. So we can get some insights, I mean where these categories are located, by inspecting this area. So if you click over here, if you inspect this, so you would see something like this. If you are not a tech friendly guys, don't worry guys, I'm just showing it for you guys to do it without having any technical knowledges. These things can be done nowadays, so that's why I'm showing this. So this is basically when you right click and inspect, you should be able to see something like this. This is the elements of the web pages. This is how the web pages are being built. So I'm interested about, so I'm going to right click over here and inspect. So if you see over here, let me click over here and inspect. So if you see over here, so you can see the breadths appear over here in this section, the element section. So what I'm interested in, I'm going to copy this code block. Okay, I'm going to copy this code block and I'm going to tell ChatGPT category for the iteration. So I'm just getting the data only now. So also I'm interested about the product details. So I'm going to click on this item description over here and inspect. So here you go, I'm getting the product details over here. If you expand, if you click on this 3 dot on this the new window that appeared when you right click and inspect so you should be able to see the product description also. So this is the block that contains the product description, so I'm going to copy that block as well. So I'm going to use some name, product description block. In the each category page, and just I haven't click on the enter button yet, and I'm also getting the price also. I'm interested about the price as well. I'm going to inspect that as well. In the new window appeared over here, you should be able to see the price. Okay, I'm going to copy this block as well, copy element, and I'm going to price block on the each category page is, and I'm also interested about getting the image as well. So I'm going to right click on the image and type the inspect. There I will be redirected in this new window, so I should be able to see the image link over here. You should be able to see the source over here. So this is I'm interested about. So okay, so I'm going to get the image source on the each category page is this. Okay, and we are good with the all the relevant data that needs to be. So I'm interested about getting the product image, product price, product description, and the product category. Okay, so now I'm going to type, I need to web scrap this web page iteratively for each category, and for each category using the Python and Selenium. Remember guys, Selenium is a web automation tool that which we can utilize for several automations. So there are many tools available for web automations. You can refer to Google and find out what others are. So I'm interested about Selenium more here because it's more comfortable for me for doing web scraping projects. So and Selenium and also the automation web scraping should behave like human does it. I need the data exported to a CSV with product category, product description, product price, and link for the image. That's all guys. Let's give it a try and hit the enter button. Let's see what ChatGPT does. Okay, below is the complete Selenium script that will open Keyl's web page, iterate to each category, weights, dairy, etc. And product category, product description, request, image link. Okay. Alright, so we got the code guys. Remember guys, when you do these things, you should have the Python environment set up on your PC, and also Anaconda distribution is one of a kind, and all which contains all the libraries which related to these kind of things. For example, Selenium WebDriver, those all comes with the Anaconda distribution. So if you haven't installed Anaconda and if you are not able to open Jupyter Lab, if you are not familiar with Jupyter Lab, just refer to other videos. You should be able to learn about Jupyter Lab. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this entire code over here, and I've already created the folder called web scraping. I'm going to that folder and go just after going to that folder, I'm just going to type cmd. After opening the link, what I'm going to do is go type Jupyter Lab. Okay guys, first of all, so in order to do this, you should have the Anaconda distribution installed on your PC. So if you are not familiar with Python and all of that, that's fine. So you should have Anaconda distribution installed in this PC in order to run this. If you don't know how to install it, there are plenty of other videos available, so you can refer to them, or else I will upload another video, separate video to show how to install Anaconda distribution separately. So in this video I'm just going to show you the steps by assuming that you have installed Anaconda distribution on your PC. So, and also this works for any other websites as well. You can follow the same step that I do for the web scraping. Okay, I'm going to type Jupyter Lab. It's a command for the opening Jupyter Lab environment. So just wait, it's opening. Okay. Okay guys, so the Jupyter Lab is a tool which has been there for many years. So I've been using this for many data analytic explorations, data operations. So you guys can refer to other videos and search about what Jupyter Lab is. So I'm going to click on this notebook over here, Python kernel. So I'm going to paste the code that provided by ChatGPT. But for the sake of my work over here, what I do is I'm going to read through the code for the sake of the confirmations. Don't worry guys, if you don't know how to code, if you are not a tech guy, don't worry, just trust on the ChatGPT. It really does a good job than a human in terms of coding. Trust me guys. Okay, so what I do is I'm going to just go through the code for a moment to take a look how it does, because I don't want to iterate over each and every product, because this is for the educational purposes only. So I just interested about just go through only 3 categories, and if the data comes out correctly, so we can assume that this method is working. Okay, so we are waiting for the categories. The new category item is being loaded, and category names is okay, print category is found, okay, data, okay. So what I'm interested about, so it is looping over here for category in category names. So what I do is now, so just don't worry what I'm doing over here guys. For the sake of study purposes, I'm doing this. I'm not interested about looping through each and every category. That's fine. So if you don't know what is loop and all of that, I will upload separate videos for them. If you are interested about, just put a comment section. If you are interested in learning programming, I can upload them as well. For the sake of this example, what I do is I'm going to get this category names equal to Prashna. For your cases, you don't have to do nothing. Since I'm just doing for this video, I'm just iterating through only 2 categories. So if you need the entire data, you can keep it as it is. Okay, let's see how it does. Okay, I just I just override this category names to only get only two categories to this particular array. Let's give it a try. Just let's hit a run button. When you click on run over here, this code will get executed. Okay. Okay. If you see this star icon over here, it is saying that this is being executed. So if you see other window that the automation task is being open, let me see how it does their thing using Selenium. That's been working their thing on the Python end. One thing that you will notice that there are certain libraries being imported over here, so those has to be installed in order to work this accurately. When you install the Anaconda distribution, so all should be coming all right. So I'm showing something is not right on this code. Something is not right. Alright, because I see it, because if you see the automation, so it's been redirected to some another window. So what I'm going to do is, okay, so I'm getting this error. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to copy this entire code and I'm going to type over here. I'm going to this same ChatGPT window. I'm getting this error. Error. Think deeply and repopulate the code. Okay, these are just simple steps that you need to do for doing these kind of things. And if you see that it's been again generated. Okay, let's see how the code quite. Okay, blah 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 blah. I don't want to read that. I'm interested about this code only. I'm going to copy this code and I'm going to paste it over here. But remember, I did some change to category. So what I'm going to do is, I don't want to iterate through each and every category. I'm interested about two categories. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm going to get category names again. I'm going to copy this data somewhere. Okay, I'm going to get air freshener and bottle. Okay, let's run this. Let's see what it does. Okay, the window is open. Let's see how it does. The Selenium does his things. Okay, it's loading. Remember guys, when you do some such things, so you need to make sure that you are, and this is ethical and polite. So make sure to use the wordings of, make sure to be just when you type on the ChatGPT, just tell behave like a human, so that their servers not get crashed. Alright, so if you see over here, it's do Selenium and the Python does it things iteratively. Let's see. So if you see scrapping finished, so it's been saved to this skills product.csv. Let's see if it is getting the data that we anticipated. Okay, I'm going to open this. Boom, guys, if you see over here, I'm getting the category name, product and price as well, right? But if you see over here, the price has unit. Let's, for our analysis, let's suppose we don't need this unit information, and also the link is also available. Let's try it. Okay, boom, so we are getting the link as well. Okay, so what else we can do is, so for example, if you are not interested about this price to be comes as only prices, what you can do is you can ask ChatGPT. ChatGPT is your friend. Okay, alright, let me go to this section, because so I would have to retype this again. I'm going to get this data to a separate, notepad over here. Alright, then I'm going to ask ChatGPT to, okay, I'm going to copy this data, prices, okay, so price all good, I'm going to type all good with the code, but price is, for the price I am interested about only the value, value no RS, no unit is needed. Here's the current price data I am getting. Put that data into inverted comma and just type. Okay, you just need to clean the text before saving it. So it's an easy fix, guy, but for your case I'm going to type this: replicate the full code with above change. Okay guys, yeah, good to go. Okay, I'm going to copy this code and paste it over here, but I'm interested about only these two categories for the sake of study purposes. I'm going to replace, where's the categories? Okay, so in your case you don't have to do nothing, you don't have to copy anything. So I'm just, for my case and for the study purposes, let's just run this again. Okay, the window is open. So it's been, the Selenium and Python does its things. Just give it some time. The page is very slow, no? So I'm not sure why. So they might be having some bad times with their servers. Okay, it's iterating through average category. Okay, iterating through bottle. So done. Scrapping finished. Oh my gosh. Permission denied. Oh, you know what? Because I already opened this file, that's why it's getting this error. Okay, let me close it and rerun it. Okay, Python does its things. Question, get any questions? Total. Okay, here you go. Scrapping completed successfully. Let's go to that folder and open the Keels products. Here you go. You see how powerful AI is. This is the future, guys, to be honest. So back in the days we were doing these things, we have to type entire code block by ourselves by referring to Stack Overflow, and we have to learn a lot of things. And guys, one thing I want to tell, like for these libraries, so if you, in case if you find that this has to be installed, like when you install the Jupyter Lab, I mean Anaconda distribution, sometimes these libraries not come with the Anaconda distribution. What you have to do is you have to follow the steps that which tells by the ChatGPT. Okay, that's all for this video, guys. Hope you enjoy it. If you found this video useful, please subscribe to Link YouTube channel. More tutorials on AI, data science, Python, Excel, and automations. Thank you very much, guys.